One of the best things I like about my Raptor, remote start in a Raptor. Lock, unlock, lock. Then double tap, lock, lock. Then automatic can magsa-start. That's one of the best things that I like about the Raptor. Diba?
Yeah.
And also, my kids loves this car because it's so
Good.
and so comfy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. I like my Ford. I like my Raptor. Yun. So pagpasok mo ng sasakyan mga sir, tapos iniwan mo lang na naka-on yung aircon, kahit na 5 minutes ka pa before sumakay ng sasakyan mo, basta gawin mo yung remote start, lalamig na yung sasakyan mo. So that's one of the major advantages. Tapos, paborito ng mga kids ko to kasi maganda yung suspension. Madali silang nakakatulog. Ayan, yung dalawang kids ko. Si mami rin gusto tong sasakyan na to kasi malapad yung
Bed.
upuan. Yung bed. Hindi naman tayo nagdudu dito Ayan. Malapad yung upuan, comfortable yung upuan, maganda yung suspension. So, yun lang. Yun yung isa sa mga gusto namin dito sa Raptor.